Find the time gap between the point when object height is half the maximum height. Find the time gap between the points when object height is half the maximum height. Given initial upward velocity was 30 meter per second. So this was given in the question. Initial upward velocity is 30 meter per second, and we have to find the time gap between the half of the maximum height. So first let us draw what will happen. So object is going like this. It will go to highest point and then it will return back. So maximum height is suppose this h. So half of this is h by 2. So between these 2 points, h by 2 here and h by 2 here, there are 2 points. See, find the time gap between the points when object height is half of maximum height. So one point is this, another point is this. So these two time gap we have to find. So what we are going to do, how to solve this kind of question? We will write s equal to ut plus half at square. This equation we are going to write, and at place of s we will write h by 2, because at h by 2 we have to find the 2 times. So corresponding to this we will have 2 different times. So we will have minus 10 by 2 square, and initial velocity is also given. So we can write it 30 meter per second. So this will be 30. So we can write like this. And we have to find the 2 values of time. This is a quadratic equation. We will have 2 different times. One time will correspond to, suppose this is point A, and another time will correspond to the point B. So between these 2 time gaps we have to find the time. And we need the value of h also. So what will be h? So maximum height formula we know, that is u square by 2g. So that we can find 30 square by 2 into 10. So how much it will be? 900 by 20. So 45. So 45 is the maximum height. So we have to take 45 here. 45 by 2 and 30t minus 5t square. So this we have to solve. So if we solve it, we are going to get, if we solve it, we will have, if we take the 5 common, we will have 9 by 2 equal to 60 minus t square, or if you multiply it with 2, we will have 2t square minus 12t plus 9. So this is the final expression, and we will have 2 different times. So if you solve this quadratic equation, the 2 times will be 12 plus minus 12 square minus 4 into 2 into 9 divided by 2 into 2. So this is 12 plus minus, sorry, this is 12 square. So this is 144 minus, this is how much? 72 by 4. So if you solve it, I think it is 12 plus minus root 72 by 4. So this is the 2 times. One is 12 plus root 72 and another one is 12 minus root 72. So if you subtract these 2 times, delta t, t2 minus t1 if you do, so what we have to do is 12 plus root 72 by 4 minus 12 minus root 72 by 4. If you solve it further, 12 will get cancelled, 12 will get cancelled, so you will have 72 root into 2 by 4. So root 72 by 2. 2. So this will be the answer. Or you can solve it further. I think it will get cancelled by 2. So this is the answer finally. So this much time will be taken by the object to go from A to B.